Once you've built an asset that looks great and performs well, you shouldn't have to start from scratch every time you want to create something similar. That's where templates come in. In this lesson, we'll cover everything about templates, how to create them, how to edit them, and how to use them to maintain consistency across your assets. To get started, head to the templates page in the left navigation. This is where all your templates live. You'll notice they're organized by stage in the customer prospecting journey. At the top right, you'll see a toggle that switches between the active and archive views. Active shows everything currently available for asset creation. Archived is where templates go when you want to clear some clutter without permanently losing them. Let's talk about creating templates. To create a template, click Create Template in the top right. From here, you have two options: start from an existing asset or start from scratch. If you start from scratch, the creative agent will launch and you'll build your template the same way you'd build any asset. Think of this as building a master layout, something your team can return to again and again as a foundation. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Exit in the top right. Your template is now available for anyone on your team to use during asset creation. You can also create a template from the asset editor. If you're building an asset and want to convert that asset into a template, you can do so using the three-dot menu in the top right. Templates aren't locked in place once they're created. From the Templates page, open any template and select Edit Template. This will launch the editor. Here you'll see a modal in the Editor tabs that reminds you that you're editing a template. This is not an asset. This distinction matters, since changes here will affect every new asset created from this template going forward, but won't edit any live assets. Make your updates and then click Save and Exit in the top right. Those changes will then be reflected the next time someone uses this template. You can also edit what category the template falls into. To do this, click the three-dot menu on the template card, hover over the category menu, and then select the appropriate category for the template. One of the more powerful features of templates is the template prompts. This lets admin and owners add custom instructions that guide how the creative agent behaves whenever someone uses a template. These instructions run behind the scenes when an asset is created from the template. You can use them to have the agent ask clarifying questions up front, like confirming who the rep is or what account the asset is for. You can reference specific assets from the library, set tone and language expectations, or lock down structural rules so the layout stays consistent. To add prompts, click the three-dot menu on the template card and select Edit Prompt. With some templates created, let's talk about how to use them. During the asset creation process on the Home tab, you'll see a section showing the available templates. Click on any of these templates to see a preview, and when you're ready, click Use Template. This opens a new asset in the editor, pre-populated with the template's design and content. From here, you're working on your own asset. Any changes you make will only affect this asset, not the original template. Use the creative agent to customize the copy, swap in account-specific details, and tailor it to your needs. As your template library grows, you'll want to keep it organized. If a template is no longer in regular rotation, you can archive it. Archived templates are moved out of the active view and won't appear during asset creation, but they're still recoverable if you need them later. If you're certain a template is no longer useful, you can delete it from the three-dot menu on the template card. Just keep in mind, deleted templates cannot be recovered. Templates are the key to scaling your content creation in Mutiny. They let you capture what works and make it repeatable, so your team spends less time building from scratch and more time personalizing. In the next lesson, we'll dive into other uses for the creative agent, like conducting web research and forming asset design strategy.